I've already assembled the basic tools that I'm going to need to get this door hung. I've already taken the trim off, as you can see here. What we have now is a triple wide and of course a door that goes with the triple wide. As you can see, this is not the safest, most secure type of door you can have. It's very weak, very kludgy. I've also already taken almost all of the screws out. I have a couple in here just to keep the door in place while I'm prepping for the new door. Here I have the new door and frame. As far as measuring exactly what you need, that's something that you'll have to figure out for yourself. This door was specifically made for mobile home type, which a triple wide is, of course. So I'm going to put this door in its entirety without taking it out of the frame. This particular door is designed to do that. Some doors, it's recommended that you take the door out, put the frame in, get the frame plumb level, squared, and then hang the door by the hinges. This one, from the manufacturer website, says specifically that you are to install it as one piece. In addition to taking screws out and trim off, I also have this plate partially removed. I still have a few more things that I have to take off to get that out. Something that you don't see here is my silicone, my weatherproofing foam, and a square. I'll bring that in shortly and put that to good use and show that on the video as well. But for right now, it looks like it's going to be an easy door hang. As with most projects, there will probably be a few bumps in the road, but I suspect that we'll be able to get this done probably within the next hour. Here we are after a great deal of work has been done. Now, to be honest with you, although most of my projects I do totally solo, my wife helped with this one. This was more of a two-person job than anything. What you'll notice is everything fits pretty neatly in here, and it does, and it levels out. Everything's awesome. I got lucky. There are videos, instructional videos on the internet from professional contractors that can tell you how to make sure that your door is level, possibly using shims. There is a lot of adjustment that could be had. I'm fortunate in that this door was already framed out fairly well, and when I replaced it, I was able to put the door in. The door seals, closes nicely. It's just exactly what we want. Now, one of the challenges that I did have that you may not, or probably will not have, is the frame that goes all the way around the door. When I took the screws out, that was great. But of course, as with all projects I ever get into in my entire life, down at the bottom, my wheelchair ramp is interfering with the screws on the bottom of the frame. So I had to take a cold chisel, a pry bar, a hammer, and apply a suitable application of massive force to get that off. Once I got it off, I got the door in. It was relatively simple. Obviously, we've got some trim work that we're going to have to do on the outside. I've got silicone caulk, and I also have some foam. Some places you'll see it called Great Stuff. Over here, well, actually, that's the brand that I have this time, is Great Stuff. It foams up real well, so any of these small cracks that we have will either be filled in with silicone or with Great Stuff. That is almost the end of it. Presumably at the end of the day, I'll also be installing a number pad key lock. If that is the case, I'll also update with that mini project as well.